Welcome to Wonder Kids Abacus YouTube channel. Subscribe and press bell button for further notifications. And if you like my videos, share my videos and comment my videos. Okay kids, welcome to our Abacus class session 3. Okay kids? Daily only, we'll start our classes simply taking breathe ins and breathe out. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. And have a smile on your faces. Kids, don't forget, you should smile every time because smile makes you to achieve so many things in your life. Okay? Now, this is our class, today's class. But before starting this class, I want to speak to you all for 1 minute. Okay, kids? Remember, kids, this is Corona time. Okay, na? So, how many students are studying at the home? Maximum kids are not studying, no? So, please kids, you should not do like that. Daily, at least half an hour, means 30 minutes, you should study any subject. One thing I will say, you should not feel, no? If your mother said that morning only, beta, I'll buy you chips today. Until evening she didn't brought you. Then what you are going to do? You'll cry. You'll ask 100 times, Mom, please buy it. Mom, please buy it. Dad, please buy it. Why you are asking like that? Because you want to eat. Yes, no? If your mother did not buy any toys, you'll ask in the same way. But what you are doing for your parents? They are asking anything to you? No. They'll ask just one thing. Study. That's all. So why you are not studying? Remember thing. You should always study. Only half an hour daily. Compulsory. If you are studying daily, no need to study. Okay? The students who are not studying only, I am saying this thing. Remember this. Daily for half an hour, you should read anything, whatever you like. Subject or non-subject things, you should study. Don't play too much with mobiles. Okay, kids? Now, we'll start our class. Okay, last time I taught you finger technique and abacus. Now, that things I'm going to do problems and I'll explain both finger technique and abacus. Okay, kids? First, finger technique. Once again, I'll say, you know these fingers. While teaching finger technique, I'll turn this side and I'll explain. Okay? So kids, I'm turning this side. Remember, always this in one's place. Now only I am saying one's things. Nothing is there in tens place. You know, only this one's place problems I am explaining for today's class. See kids, here there is 2. Before starting finger technique, please fold your right hand. You will be sitting like this only. So, fold your right hand. And what is this number? What is this number? 2. So, just open 2 fingers. And what is this number? 1. Open 1 finger. What is this? 5. Okay? Now we will count. Okay, beta? With this hand I am counting. What is this? You should count always from this side. Okay, remember this is 5. So it is special. You should count from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Okay, kids? Now next thing. What is this? Again, before starting problem, you should close your fingers and start. This is 5. Next, 6, 7, fingers. After that, again 2. So once again open 2. Okay? Now you should count and write the answer. Always you should count from this thumb finger. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write the answer 9. Okay? Now next problem. What is this? Just close your fingers and start. 1. After that, 2. Then 1. What is answer? 4. Okay? Next, close your fingers and start. 1, 2. Next, 6. 5. Open like this, beta. 6 is greater than 5. So 5, 6. Next, what is there? 1. Open 1. Again, you should count and write. Always, however you know, always in abacus you should count and write. Okay, na? Don't write immediately. If you know answer also, you should count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this 9? Yes, it is 9. Very good. Now last. In this row, this is the last one. Okay, kids? Now, what is this problem? Again in one place only. So close your hand like this only. Start opening 1. And now 7. See, don't open immediately like this and say 7. It is totally wrong. For already existing 1, we are adding 7. So keep this one like that only. And add 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay, kids? And there is one more. So add this one more. Again you got answer is 8. Is this 8? No. Is this 5? It is also wrong. It is 9. Remember, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, kids? Now, in this problem, in this row, we'll do these problems also in finger technique. Later we'll do all these problems once again in abacus. Okay? Now, we'll close our sessions. This is number 5. So, first close every finger like this. And open only 5. And next, what is there? This is addition beta. When I didn't give symbol, you don't think that it is something. Always in abacus, we won't write every place addition like this. We won't write. Like this, we won't write. Just we'll give numbers. For addition, we will not mention any symbol. Only for subtraction, we will mention symbols. Okay, kids? Now this is 5. This is 5. This is 9. So, first close your fingers and open 5. And next 2. And minus 1. See, you should not minus like this. It is wrong. Always you should minus from last. From this last you should minus. So, I will minus this 1. What is this answer? 6. Now kids, next problem. Now also fold your fingers and start with 0. Open 5. Then 2. And minus. Minus means you should close your fingers. What is this? 5. Now kids, 6. So first start closing your fingers. 5, 6. After that, what is there? 2. Open 2. 2 means here addition. Always addition. We will not mention anywhere plus symbol. Just will give number means you should add directly. That is 2. And minus 7. Minus 7 means, ma'am, you said to subtract from this side. No, why you are subtracting this? You should not think. Always remember, kids, this is bigger number. You should respect it. And 7 is more than greater than 5. So you should minus first 5. Count and minus. Don't immediately hurry. 5. Next minus 6. Not from here. From this end. 6. 7. What is this? 1. Now next. What is this number? 7. So close your fingers. Open 7 by counting 5, 6, 7. Now minus 5. So close the finger 5 and add 6. Slowly, 6 is bigger than 5. So don't disturb these two fingers. Let that two fingers be like that only. Now add 6. 5, 6. Answer is, count and you should say always. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is 9. Simply open 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you should subtract minus 6. Kids, minus 6 means you should start from 5. 5, 6. Okay? Now next, add 5 again. Add 5. Very good. What is the answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay kids? This is answer is 8. Okay? Now I thought this all answers and something finger technique. Same this thing I am going to teach you in abacus. Just will rub the answers only. Okay kids? Only answers I will be rubbing and I will do this same problems in abacus. Because you should know how to do same problems in abacus also. Now, once again I will revise. This is answer line. This is ones place. This is tens place. And anything touches this gives answer. So, first before sitting near book or abacus, first know these questions. Later, hold your pencil like this. Remember kids, nib should be little hand side. Okay na? You should hold your pencil like this and use only these two fingers. I already said that these two fingers improve your memory power. So always you should use only thumb and index finger. And always do with in only same process how I am guiding here. Okay kids? Now what is there? 2. 2 from lower beats we will add. So take the thumb finger, add 1, 2. Over. Next, add one more. Like this, add one more. Over. Next, what is this? 5. For 5 always you should use index finger. Use the index finger. Okay kids? Now we will start counting from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you should bring pencil in like this and write the number 8. Now again you should put it back in position like this. Again now clear the beads only with index. Okay kids? Now next number is 5. 5, 2, 1, 2. Again 2, 1, 2. Answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay kids? Now we will clear the abacus only with index. Okay kids? Now what is this number? 1. Put 1 here. This is 2 beta. Okay? Okay, that is 2 number. So, let it be here. You should not disturb anything. Let the 1 be here and add 2 more beads. 1, 2. And add 1 more bead. What is the answer? 4. Write the answer 4. Clear the abacus. Now next problem 2. 1, 2. Add 6. Remember kids, if you add like this and like this also you will get 6. But it is wrong thing in abacus. It will affect your visualization. So always you should add 5, 6. Later 1. And now count the abacus beats 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write the answer 9. Clear the abacus. What is this? 1. Okay kids? Next 7. Always 7 is greater than which number? 5. So start with 5, 6, 7. What is the number? 1. Answer is 9. Okay? Clear the abacus. Next, always clear the abacus with index finger. For 5, we will use this index finger. Add 2, 1 and 2. Now for subtraction, wait a minute. You should always, for subtraction, what I said to use? Index finger. And now count the beats 5 and 6. Write the answer 6. Clear the abacus. And what is this number here? 5. Use index finger. 5. Next 2. Minus 2. Answer is 5. Now clear the abacus. What is this number? 6. Next, what is this? 2. What is this? Subtraction. Minus 2. Minus always index finger. So carefully observe this. Start with 5 minus 5. Minus 6. Minus 7. What is the answer? 1. Next, clear the abacus. Here what is there? 7. 5, 6, 7. Next, minus 5. Index finger only. Minus 5. 6. 6 is bigger than 5. So, from where we'll start? 5 only addition. For 5, index finger. And for 6, thumb finger. And count from starting. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay kids, clear the abacus. And this is 9. 5, 6, see, 7, 8, 9. And minus 6. Always subtraction, index finger. So, minus 5, minus 6. Last, this is 5. Add 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kids, till now I explained same problems in abacus and finger technique. These problems only I will do in visualization and write the answers kids. This visualization technique I will teach you later. Okay? Okay kids, I'll start this problem. 2 minutes, 1 second I'll do. 2, 1, 5, 8, 5, 2, 2, 9, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 1, 9, 7, 1, 7, 1, 1. What is this? 9. Next, 5, 2, minus 1, 6, 5, 2, minus 2, 5, 6, 2, minus 7, 1, 7, minus 5, plus 6. That is, how much? 7, minus 5 and 6 is 8. Next, this is 9, minus 6, plus 5, 8. Okay kids, in visualization also I did these problems. So, kids, see here. Okay, if you like my video, share my video, comment my video. Don't forget to subscribe my videos. Okay kids? Bye.